Now I'm going to see what you see for the first time. I have not, trust me, I've not gone out there yet. Okay, I'm going to see exactly what you see in Average Joe. Okay, we're going to see if this light better be on, and I think it is. Well, I'm not sure if it is or not. I'm not sure if it is or not. It's hard to tell because it's in the shade. It's hard to tell. You see there? It should be on, right? Let's I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. Let's see if it's on. Remember, you just unscrew this, and the end of that LED should be on. Should be. If it's not, I'm gonna have to start troubleshooting something. I shouldn't really be doing this with the power on like that. I just have to be careful. Look at that. It doesn't even look like it's on. That's something. I'm not sure what's going on with that. And as far as I know, that should be on. I'm gonna look at something else too while I'm out here. Because we've got another light that's in closer to the by the front door. Because see, this wire is connected to this one, and then that wire goes across. This wire goes over to a light that's over there. That's below this decomposed granite right there, and then I think it goes underneath this wall, and there's another light on the inside, and that was on the other day before I cut this. Okay, let's see if it's on now. I don't think it should be, because I'm making the assumption it's going off of there. Now I'm starting to troubleshoot. Now I'm starting to wonder what's going on. What's going on here? Okay, good. This light is in fact off. Well, that gives me something to pause. Like, does it really? Does it matter? Do I have to flip those wires around? I shouldn't have to. I shouldn't have to. Now, because this wire is the main wire that goes to there, and on all the videos I've seen on YouTube, it says it doesn't matter which wire goes to which wire here. I'm going to shut that timer off. Okay, I'm going to shut the timer off, and then let's flip-flop these wires around and see if in fact it does matter. All right, I don't think it does though. I'm going to check it out anyway, because the other day it was working. Would it be a coincidence that just within the last 24 hours another wire connection is bad? Because I know there's some wire connections right here. See this? Right there. That goes to the wire that's underneath the house. It comes from over there, and then it goes from here on over to the timer. The other day, that light inside there, inside by the front door, worked. That tells me it's connected onto this, it goes over to there, and so this should be hot, right? I'm wondering if I should just take those wire nuts off and use a wire tester there and see what's happening. I don't even know if a wire tester will work on low voltage wires. I'm gonna turn the power off. I think. You know, maybe we'll just check something here. I have a wire tester. I have a wire tester here, and this is low voltage wiring. That's silly. Why that doesn't work. Now I got to remember which wire goes to which. If in fact I want to flip this with the power on, right? Let's just see if this wire tester is going to show that there's power here on low voltage wiring, because I've never tested low voltage wiring with a wire tester such as this. See, I can't even see it. I don't think it will. See, I'm not seeing any. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, but let's just, we're gonna flip them so I know this one. Now I got the power on. And I'm doing this hot, but it's low voltage wiring. It should be fine. And it's like, why is this thing not working? Right? Could it be faulty? Could it be a faulty light? Who knows? Could it be that I can't really see the light until dark? Might have to wait until dark to test this light out. Okay? Because it should not matter which wire goes to which. It should not matter at all. And it's hard for me to see. Okay? I just can't see anything. Isn't that odd? That just is kind of weird. It's kind of troubling. See, I don't really see anything, do you? I have to wait till dark? I may have to wait till dark. And I might have to unfortunately tell you, stay tuned. Okay? I am not sure. I'm scratching my head on this one.